The Formula One driver market is on fire, with speculation and increasingly intense rumors about the destinations of top drivers for the 2025 season. One of the most talked about names is Fernando Alonso, who has been associated with both Red Bull and Mercedes. Ralf Schumacher, in analysis after the Australian Grand Prix at Sky Sports, stated categorically that Max Verstappen should leave Red Bull sometime, possibly in 2025 or 2026. According to him, there are great intentions to put Alonso as a substitute for the Dutchman, in case he leaves. Schumacher pointed out that these rumors are not only mind games, but solid information that indicates a possible change of drivers. Schumacher also raised the possibility of an exchange between Sergio Perez and Alonso, further fueling speculation about the Spaniard's future in Formula One. He stressed that Jos Verstappen, Max's father, would already be looking for alternatives to his son's future, which adds more fuel to rumors of changes at Red Bull. Meanwhile, the German newspaper Bild brought a different perspective, stating that Mercedes has already started negotiations with representatives of Fernando Alonso. With Lewis Hamilton's contract ending, the German team is looking for a weight substitute, and Alonso seems to be a viable option. In the face of such news, the Formula One driver market is full of uncertainty and expectations. Fans eagerly await to see how these negotiations will unfold and what the team's moves will be for next season. And you, what do you think of these rumors involving Verstappen, Alonso, and Mercedes? What are your expectations for the Formula One driver market? Leave your opinion in the comments and don't forget to sign up for more updates on the exciting world of Formula One.